There's a man available. There's a goal. Written up here. Back in the net.
Oh my God, there's a lot of pressure. I mean, I've seen how it was hard to sleep last night.
YG Vegas Misha Ryan, I guess Tamujinja Arasha Muyo and Tushkar Muyo, I guess in Gaeltacht and Irish. Tamujinja a Porterland Filaher fake in a badge to hear Misha, I guess. It la intagnu, la intagriha muyo. Te en clihi canish a pel a gularai and by a clear like kitty, I guess muyo, turnonisha. So be misha a gull hard sakantar hard for Irish. I can't let dinya or be in the stragina for dudin clihi ward, for dudin Gaelic, I guess for dudin pel, I guess for 100.
Do you live around here?
Yeah.
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Would this be like a busy harbor for Mayo, kind of like a big fishing harbor?
I would, yeah.
It would, yeah.
One of the biggest.
Right. So people, like if the people from Ceol, would they be fishing over there, or would they have to come over here to put a boat in?
Some of them fish in Ceol.
Yeah.
Down Rin Road. I ever down there.
Only once, yeah.
Some fish down there.
Yeah. I'm trying to make a video about North Mayo. What could you tell me about it, or what could you tell me about the area? You couldn't tell me much, no?
I don't know much about it.
No. You're born and raised here, are you?
Yeah.
Right. And is it the Gaeltacht out here, is it?
It would be, yeah.
Yeah.
But there would be like being in top.
Yeah. Were you raised with it yourself?
No.
No, you weren't, right. Would it be strong in Port... Is it Port Erlin? Is that the name of this?
Port Erlin. It's been strong now on Port
Right, Port of Cloy. Where's that? So the further west you go, the stronger it gets, right? Kilgalligan. And then that's Kilgalligan's the last village, kind of.
There's a bit of rock. There's a bit of this village, like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Tamisha your shoe, Tamisha shoe, Carify Guinness. Get the housing is the bucket shaw. I get second to shot. The brikini lockte aku. The nyart brikini lockte. Food in the canter, I guess Gahari in the stage show. So Hannah Willis can go down near the bean, honey in Shinga Falls. So Tish get up a dancer and the bean she machine. I guess this dog will and shaw faster. So if I can turn increase in shin. I guess Gahari had just shin ball a year. So the winter bocked. Nishi kyart to Harby. Rock na galan taku ak te Jakers te Tihi Sawal Chaku.
Would most of the people in this village be going to the match today, you think?
I doubt it. Anyone that's going, I'd say be gone already.
Yeah.
Yesterday, but it was very hard to get tickets.
Yeah. Are people nervous? Are you nervous? Or? All right.
That'll tell you now.
Yeah.
That'll tell you now how I am.
Yeah. So vi tog wadro gegen an Harotwigar.
Oh, you want the fan of flesh. The chat you and more under
Right. So Chefamage in you. Yeah. I think we should jack at the Clehy, let the winter way over there. So. Oh, that's the number. Well, the mission more did to the NASA America mission was. That's scaffolding is that's the number what's Yeah. Does Carrick this it? Carry the Glock. Alright. Should have natural will the Chatham. Should have natural will Chuck Connolly. Carry the clock.
So the jet with each other all the time. The Yasoig.
I guess it will Gaelic Elijah and Chin.
Chinese horn of him Schmogasur, possible was Vinny's more. Bishaking at the post, you need Bishan.
Sure.
Bishandin each on the washing enough for
O Jack Mission Fisher, Kent Hanimater for Geese character, Sean Henry, I guess. How much you fear Harrow Barrel be again?
I don't know
Muintir éis bhíidir a héanagus scrúhear agus séad a padún agus lobuide
What should a Sean Hallin? A chuck on the roof and shit. Alright.
Should he one of his got to move him? Don't you know the king trying to hear that John?
Yeah.
That's got to move him. Oh, it's tremendous.
I guess we show why me a shit at the end. What? You're fashion.
Station. Oh, that's got to go here to camp up here again. Get onion trend. You can shut all of layer and what's that? Come down for
Get the dancer on the wall. Bally, yeah.
That's what's the cricket. You can't be in the
Well, being caught in the rest of Chicano being coupled in a foster go mark hard for 3 con. Get a clog and magic, I guess. Sure. Might have number ad and on go fall at Nicholas. Sure. I guess in the stretch wallet to wade knees more Dini geese correct. Continue material and search wall and chin as well. Portalan, yeah.
Oh,
She did the courage. How a we mission should imagine how me able to courage the budget.
Oh, shit, crap, Oja.
Sure.
Actually, the East Crewboggy is kilometers. Stop shit, education.
Yeah. I want to force geese correct in. Okay.
I can't carry on the matter, carry how much.
Right.
I can't cushion the
Yeah. The crab over in the pots.
They look me small.
Oh, hey, just pull the left. I guess I am more or less in Clee. So Thomas is in chat bubble clarify. I guess take it the Gaelic is so it's toch wel een koor en shit aan piano situation. Couple of piano Gaelic. So I guess so we on the vigil and share on show I guess Harrow after imagine but na vi she the canner a rare stocha fit an yirik skriu and yirik and shin shit if I have glory to na here.
It's a tap or is it inside, is it? No problem.
Thank you very much.
No problem. I'm a laughing on you by you cleaning you.
Huh?
I'm a laughing on you by you cleaning you. Is everybody down in Dublin today?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Big crowd, do you think? Laughing on you. That's great.
Yeah.
Hello to Appleton.
Am wacha ty dyn i'r big surfel a traisian river?
Sorry?
Am wacha ty dyn i'r big surfel a traisian river?
Oh, what made the surf but me up here? No.
Ni eki.
Think you would the nigga in the motion?
O ni eka mysio just to dŵl sa surfel gym.
Huh?
Wel ta dŵl gym leis yn surfa so.
Oh, well, it's Shahan, is it?
O'n i'r yn yw, just fi mae garc yn a tonti'r gresir.
Thingy map, but he support the cloy is smooth, you know.
He support the cloy.
Yeah, yeah.
Which ni is fire in
You
chin.
want your mark and you and show.
On ya.
You know, that's what to really come out here. Oh yeah, to go go ahead.
O ai, ta drac i lega gym
I
hyn.
know, this is off my. He might bet you got to go up to the razor and again. Another thing.
O, ni fe. Wel, is as America mysio, as dwi'n am o fan Ceol so.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
America.
Boston.
Wow, yeah, to call Cara who can hold this in.
O, wel, caich yn Boston.
Well, you mean in Tannum Hain, like it makes something that we should hold them Aston.
O, right.
Can it you well to Seoighe?
O, wel, ta mae dyn... On ia, ta mae dyn i gael dy harc yn nes, as dwi'n am o fan Ceol.
Oh, Gymnasial, yes.
Yes, so hEAdogaí.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so just down here, I was down here to watch the match, so just walking around. I like the boat, so.
Can you can't get that to fair play to you?
Oh, they're gonna make it.
So use it.
All right.
Yeah, fair play.
I guess I must have saw what you can snow and chin.
And tell not about much snow. No, here, like here again ring. You know here in
All right.
Troy.
Tashin is fire and chin.
You hold the shit. No, but you've been among shin, two shot.
Right.
But na che machra ada because a bruff lodges on.
Oh, the rough lodge.
Yeah, the more that the nigga na lava lat.
Right.
Come on, so nabi junu Latina.
All right.
Because Nima Jagiri
Ni be an helicopter chart. Right. I gotta make it. Right, gotta make it. Tom Virginia, Carify, got a momentje. Tom Virginia, Rike, Kerichag. Tan Tonti, Charter Shah, Tan Bruffy, Charter Shah. Erin Slip. Tan G in the Salt Shoot, Teshin to Garland, Terigis Bay. An cluichí cánis na héisin le muo agus círi tosu had for chuige bóimiid na ridigin so be Virginia ag snáb ínta gasta agus be Virginia ras le cá agus ag tiamuid go dtín taverna agus be Virginia ag I brathnú in cluichí. So maybe I should start the videos with this or end the videos, or I just want to put a PSA and I'll put it in English because I have horrible Irish and this is the easiest way I can say it. I just want to say I'm so flattered by all the people that watch my videos and comment in my videos and all the followers, and it's really touching, and I show everyone to my wife, even the ones that hate the videos or think whatever, Gaelick's a stupid name for Irish or blah blah blah, you get it, but I like them all. I just want to put out there, people will tell me I'm a learner, this is such a great resource, thanks for posting. I just want to put a word of caution, word to the wise, in whether it's take everything I post with a pinch of salt. This is like pro wrestling. This is all entertainment. I am not a teacher. I've never gone to school. I don't know how to read. I can't write. I never learn from a native speaker besides the conversations that I have on the street with people or the friends I've made or whatever. The lines between what's some native speech I've picked up and what's stuff I'm just making up or getting wrong is blurred. So I would just say to the viewers back home, anyone who's learning Irish, who has a real interest in, I'm with you, I've got a real interest and I'm always trying to learn native speech. Just keep in mind, I don't know a lot of times if the people I'm talking to or not are native speakers. My guess is as good as yours. And when it comes to my Irish, nothing is gospel. I make mistakes all the time. I don't even understand the people I'm talking to half the time, and I have to guess on the subtitles. And usually people are nice enough to make corrections. We got a subscriber, Carrick Dan from West Donegal, who's great for that, who's actually been really helpful. And I welcome anyone to make those types of corrections. It's welcome, it's not condescending. I really appreciate it, and I think other people watching the videos appreciate it. So just a word to the wise, there's a lot of horrible Gaelic teachers online, people that don't have a grasp for the language, but have all the enthusiasm in the world and are well-intentioned and want to teach people. While I share that enthusiasm, I am not one of those teachers. So that's it. I'll keep it brief. You guys get it. But if you hear me say something that sounds kind of funny, double check with another source. Just want to put that out there.
Clifford. Mike Breen is staying around the 45-metre line. He goes forward instead. First Sean O'Shea. Back first David Clifford. Here comes a goal opportunity. In every game he scored a goal except...
No, don't know what's saying. I'll put the West and fuck the rest. Up the West and fuck the rest. But that's what we do.
Into the path of McBride. There's a man available. There's a goal written up here. Back in the net. Now score a goal in the other.
No, sir. No, sir.
Right.
This down Anto. Well, when it's down, I was very Gaeltacht less. To let the speed over to the country as her language. I do down the whole but French, Spanish, no Tagala. I do down the country. I do down the whole but I do basically over to the country. They start the face.
The green and red of Mayo was about to be heard all over the world. This is sensational. This is mind-boggling. This is a point. 75 years of heartbreak are about to end. 19...
Why do you want to? I thought I'd never seen it again. I didn't see it. Okay, the
So wacha tú se hana, seart blina hen. A wacha tú se hana.
Can't do it to.
Seart blina hen, a wacha tú se hana.
And if I...
You saw this already.
Three who were the honey farm.
Right.
Come on, radio,
So the two dog I can
quick, I just need to kick along.
Yeah.
I'm going to shit plaster from the owner said.
I want to new size to get like her or to new size to get
Can I ask no chance? Can ask
Oh, that's America, my shit.
America.
America, yeah. Tam is je mohan hier doen nou. Is dat toen naam van
I
Kele?
don't kijken door de warme tijd.
Dat doet Kele doen nou eigenlijk.
Oh ja,
Beste heen.
Niet als een noordje I told the kid, I went to America. I had some America.
Boston.
Oh, Boston.
Is dat Mayo Gaeltacht, was het?
Mayo Gaeltacht, ja.
Ja, toen met
Dat
Kele.
fucking big. As a long big local, maar je niet.
Ah, hadden we lastig op.
Ken je al toen beugen?
Gar te hiken. Klokken hier. En hoe laat niet aan gar te hiken?
Oh ja.
Als Maharort, ik is gedoe, ik is Bakari.
Oh ja.
Hoe is zo hoog, je toen nou?
Ken je dat nog?
Gar te hiken. How much cost Olin Tari agus Mahanorti agus Gidovi agus?
I've let Lauren to Anglon, I guess you have Fokley Bed and the rest.
All right.
I've done Jeffrey, I didn't bring it out, so it's a good.
Oh, Kinchi. I don't matter, Judge, do Kinchi.
Was it that North Church? Where did he give you Stephen Trust? My mom says a North Church. Not going to turn the kid.
All right.
He will go, I'm a London on Lady and Trasco.
All right. The Tom of Wadi, the Tom of Wadi engine.
The Irish is not a desert. Now, follow the Vega shop. Vega need a leader.
Yeah.
The Lorry, Corvan alone is going to try this one. Corvan, the odd one. Corvan was the odd one. Because that Vega Town, so there's a gift at the Vega Town. That's a great way.
Ah, we're going to make it. I check on the windshield and do the Nala Heskins.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
At the Vega on the wall, gift on Vega Town was a ball of shows.
Okay.
Come Wellington, come out to Wellington, where you live like.
A ration in the now.
Oh,
Tam I'm late to see it if you like here.
I'll like to see it.
So, I'm a Jarash, you're calling my
Not to what this is doing wrong. Allow the check on your baby.
Okay.
Allow the check not to what this is doing wrong.
Okay, that's a logical for.
And now they check baby.
Okay.
When you was at North China, you allow the check baby to have hold on.
Of what?
I was at North Mission. Like South Bay or like I told the kid, because the allow check can't be give me. You don't have all the big hobby. Far open solutions.
Look at you, Neil Doolittle.
Eh?
Katia na Mayo Gaeltacht and Neil Do ag na winter na height.
You Lauren should have to put that consequence. You Lauren should get at the way between themselves.
Listen through.
Tama picture of
I'll take a little bit of my eggs.
I can't fall.
Well, Sinead, Cahardhas, the Mayo lig, Vishir Doi, Terrace Maivian, agus Tamarashan, the Nas, the Haroma Share and Walla Road, Haroma Shake, Chamach Road, agus Crack into Maivian, so get a Maivian Ahanan.
Rug my gleam of rod, that off near honey.